Today, we're about to do a quick video. About to do the switchbacks. As you see right here, they're white. So when you signal, it turns orange. We use the same brand I always use. If you want, I'm gonna put it down below to get it. Good prices on there. You'll see. Just click the link below. You don't need no tools, just your hands, man. That's it. Let's get it. Damn, I gotta clean this up. There's mad cooling over here. But anyways, all you gotta do is reach down. This is the driver's side. Reach down, you'll see the turn signal right there. Boom, you see it? Right there. Now, all you gotta do is reach down in there, twist it right, and pull it out. This is the bulb right here. Boom. Take it out your hand. We're going to install these right here. It's the brand I be using. Hey, this is the LED right here. We about to install. Okay, now let's put it in there. Same way you took it out. You see the stock ones, ugly. Stock compared to this one. All right, let's put it in there. Good thing with these doesn't hyper flash. Like, it doesn't flash very fast. They're like slow, just like that. See? So you don't need to put a resistor on there to make it flash like this. Okay, I already did this side already. Same thing. Go in there, turn it like this, take it out, put the new one. Okay? See? Simple video. So I have to show you. It's the brand right here. I'm gonna put the link below so you see where it's at. That was how you install the switchbacks on this G37. If you want to buy the same switchbacks, I'm gonna put the link below. Just put in your car, year, make, model, boom, boom. Put turn signals, and boom, there you go. So, if you have any questions, just comment below. On your Instagram, mechanics, and that helps you out. Give me a like and subscribe. Later.